So cute, look at it, it's so brown. It's so brown! I love how brown it is. Oh yeah. Look at that little brownie. Aww. How can you sleep like that? All like curled in like that. Doesn't that hurt your long back? Look at that long back. Oof. Okay. Go to bed. Sleep, little Lola. Something, I don't know. I like the little white whiskers. Little white hairs. She's getting to be an old lady. And one of my favorite parts is the little black tuft on her neck like that. Oh, so cute. I could just stare at it all day and watch it sleep. I might just do that one time. Boy, I probably already have. Look at her. She's so precious. Peaceful. Gosh, I wish I could sleep like that all the time. All peaceful. No one bothers you except for me. She doesn't even care or realize I have a camera in her face. That's a peaceful puppy. Oh, I love it. I just want to kiss it all over. Okay, that's weird. I just want to kiss it though. I just want to give it all kisses. Oh, cute. Don't you just want to kiss it? That's just a face you want to kiss. The face everybody should love. Alright, what's this bunny doing? Honey. Hi, bunny. What you doing? Doing, bunny. Doing, bunny. Alright. Let's see what this maze dog's doing. Now that's another cute sleep. Oh, its tongue was sticking out. No, it's not. Oh, look at this sleep. Oh, so peaceful. Oh, sound like an old lady snoring. You're so cute. Alright. I'll let you sleep. Okay. So tomorrow I gotta get some things done. And I gotta work. So probably get up pretty early to get everything done before work. And I'm gonna go to bed super early too. Like as soon as I can go to bed, probably like 8 is what I'm shooting for. Cause I want to get as much sleep as I can. I'm probably gonna get up at 6 or 7, so I want to get a really good night's rest. So I'm not tired while I'm driving on Thursday. Alrighty, so peace, love, and happiness, and I'll see you tomorrow. Killed my wiener dog. Look at that. He's so cute.